Morning and namaskar to all my gurus, seniors, juniors, and faculties of community medicine. Thank you to organizing team IAPSM Con 2021 JNKTMCH Madhepura. Today I will speak regarding the clinical approach in community medicine.
जानने के लिए लोगों के बीच जाना छोड़ दिया। इसीलिए कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन को सिर्फ सर ने बताया था कि 4 दीवारी के अंदर सीमित करके नहीं रखा जा सकता। इसको रखने के लिए हमको वहाँ तक पहुँचना होगा, कम्युनिटी लेवल तक पहुँचना होगा। और कम्युनिटी लेवल तक हम लोग क्यों नहीं पहुँच पा रहे हैं, उसको मैंने महसूस किया है, क्योंकि हम लोग क्लिनिकल नहीं है, इसीलिए हम लोग वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँच पा रहे। अगर हम लोग क्लिनिकल जब बन जाएंगे तब हम कम्युनिटी के बीच पहुँच पाएंगे, और जब हम कम्युनिटी के बीच पहुँचेंगे तब क्लिनिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जब हम वहाँ देंगे तब कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन का रियल अप्रोच लोगों को पता चलेगा और तभी हमें सभी जानेंगे। यही मेरा टॉपिक है। Community medicine as a discipline, it is defined as the branch of medicines which addresses certain selected aspects of the health promotion, disease prevention, health restorations by the curative steps and rehabilitations of the former patients in a community, usually from the institutional community based like medical colleges. So we have the 4 approach: health promotion, disease prevention, health restoration and rehabilitation. We think beyond this we can do anything in community medicine, and how we can do. Why I choose this topic? I think community medicine is a form topic. समस्याओं से हम घिर चुके हैं, we have confusion and we have threat. Many of our UG students, many of our colleagues, many of our juniors always ask us, sir, what is the scope of community medicine? How can we settle our life? Why not to choose surgery? Why not to choose medicine? And there is confusion among the students and our teachers, and we are not able to give concrete conclusions to them. In many terms, monetary terms, they don't want to take this branch. Before that, I am going to elaborate in brief some related subjects. Those subjects are the public health and clinical medicine first. Public health, this is old term, and first started when there was a need to provide health care to the public level, and later on the health went to the individual level through the clinical medicines and primary MBBS, and secondary level the MD, MS of the different fields, and in the tertiary level the DMMS, NCH, tertiary cares. And in the public health we are doing in the micro setup, macro setup, meso setup. There is opinion of the public that public health experts are not clinical experts. Exactly so, they are not clinical experts, but when there is community medicines, they are clinical expert too. जब उसमें मिल जाता है पब्लिक हेल्थ के साथ जब क्लिनिकल मेडिसिन और we are MBBS, basic thing, we are also practitioners. The public, why public not recognize us? They don't recognize us because we are not practicing. The public think that we should prescribe it in black and white. कि पर्ची में मुझे लिखा जाना चाहिए तभी आप डॉक्टर हैं, ये परसेप्शन आज भी समाज में है। तो अगर हम दोनों को साथ लेकर चलते हैं, दैट्स गुड। एंड हाउ वी विल डू? वी कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन एक्सपर्ट आर आल्सो एक्सपर्ट इन द क्लिनिकल साइंस। दिस इज द स्लाइड ऑफ दैट। Medical students today have the conception that there is no career in community medicine. There is no career of community medicine. The one their career in the other subjects. This is the paper of JIPMA, and there was a study among the MBBS students which branch they have to choose, and our community medicine is in the bottom, and 31% like medicine, 24% like surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, orthopedics, dermatology and different fields. Why it's so? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? हमारे जो सीनियर्स हैं उन्होंने इस सब्जेक्ट को फोकस क्यों नहीं किया? उनको क्यों नहीं बता पाए कि इसमें भी कुछ किया जा सकता है, इसका भी कुछ स्कोप हो सकता है? Because there is no money. They only think that there is money in obstetrics, there is money in gynecology field, medicine, surgery, MCS, DM. Solve the confusion. I am here to solve the confusion. We community medicines are also from the clinical branch. We have rural training health center. We have urban training health center. We have immunization clinic. Dr. Professor C. Rai sir has established dog bite center. Everybody knows him in Bihar and in India. Dr. Lakshman is here, my senior. Everybody knows in that city as a good clinician. Dr. Lakshman, head of the department, Pawapuri Medical College. There is name of community medicines because of him, because he is interacting the people through the clinical practice. In community medicines, what you were saying, एक चार दीवारी के अंदर हम लोग बंधे रहते हैं। पब्लिक से जब तक नहीं मिलेंगे, आपके पब्लिक हेल्थ इम्पोर्टेंस समाज तक कैसे पहुँचे? उसको पहुँचाने के लिए हमको पब्लिक के कांटेक्ट में जाना होगा। पब्लिक आपके पास क्यों आए? Why will he come? The first thing, he will come for his disease, and after that there is a relation with him, and you will also address the public health aspect, counseling, communication, and you will go to up to the root level. We are not a doctor. We are doctor plus. I am going to focus. We are not a doctor. We are doctor plus. We provide treatment as well as the prevention and health promotion role. And what happened in the pandemics, COVID period, and we crossed 100 crore shots. Above that, yesterday we completed 133 crore shots, and in one day there was 81 lakh shots yesterday, and this is due to our community medicine. How we can promote our community medicine? Through the clinical practice, we can promote public health practice, and through the public health practice we can promote our clinical approach. This is the cycle, and I have tried to make it vicious cycle. Every community physicians have to practice if they have to exist in the society, and to have better opportunity to go in the public, because you can do health screening, you can conduct many camps, IEC activities and BCC activities. Doctors of community medicines can do better than them. आप अपने उनके दिलों तक छा सकते हैं, आपके पास वैसा टूल्स है. You can go up to the grassroots level. आपको उस भट्टी में तपाया गया है, ऐसी ट्रेनिंग दी गई है कि आप रूट लेवल तक अप्रोच करके उसको छा सकते हैं. आप अपने नॉलेज को स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं गांव के, हर मोहल्ले के अंदर. And this epidemiology is a big tool for your clinical practice. Statistics is here. और बोलेंगे सर, अभी मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. दिखाओ सर. लोग समझते हैं कि
ये क्लिनिकल भी और कॉग्निटिव दोनों प्रैक्टिस करना चाहता है.
बिल्कुल.
इसलिए कैसे छोड़ दें? दोनों से पैसा कमाना चाहता है.
पब्लिक हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट का यही काम भी.
पब्लिक हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट का काम यही है.
एक क्लिनिशियन treats one person, whereas a community medicine person treats whole society, whole community. So you are serving more than clinician.
डॉक्टर प्लस.
Okay, we are doctor plus.
Very right.
Indian medical graduates, they can tackle all kinds of diseases, whatever.
Such a
Whatever.
situation
Now,
of
Indian medical graduate का आपको मिला.
immunization,
बिल्कुल.
Indian medical graduate, I am me.
counseling of his
You are not MBBS.
behavior change. These all are in occurs in community. But you need to tell
That's
you
what I'm
individually,
completely.
that is clinician.
Yes sir.
Clinical approach.
और आपका कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन क्लिनिकल है.
हाँ.
That has been notified by government.
अरे सर
Government of India.
हम तो एक ही बात बोल रहे हैं. क्लिनिशियन देखता है एक पेशेंट को, हम लोग देखते हैं पूरा कम्युनिटी को. हम लोग इम्प्रूव करते हैं उसका हेल्थ स्टेटस. वो करता है मेंटल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है. वो डिजीज को हम डिजीज को खत्म करते हैं. तो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि उसको रोक सके. हेल्थ स्टेटस को इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं. जो इन्वायरमेंट है जिस कारण से हो रहा है.
Those who are not in the government sector, those who are postgraduates in community medicine and are practicing in other areas in other towns, they can do a special clinic also, like OPD, general outpatient department, advanced immunization center. There is no immunization center in district towns. You can have advanced immunization center. One of my head of the department in pathology asked me, sir, I want to take flu vaccines. Is there any centers here? You are expert in that. तो उसका प्रैक्टिस हम लोग क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? प्रत्येक शहर में हम लोग एक इम्यूनाइजेशन सेंटर खोलते हैं, एडवांस इम्यूनाइजेशन. सिर्फ पीडियाट्रिक इम्यूनाइजेशन सेंटर पीडिया वाले कर रहे हैं, हम लोग क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? We have part of that in our subject. This should not be confined to the only park book. It should go beyond park. We should start geriatric clinic, rabies animal bite clinic, NCD clinic, communicable disease clinic, and so on. Nutrition experts, we are also nutrition experts, nutrition counselors, we can do that. And how can we prove it? Clinical class, just think beyond par, better communication skills we have been provided in our teaching period, training to reach up to the grassroots level, knowledge of the government health programs. I am not confined to the boundary of the building. I always teach to the community through the papers, PDRs, TV shows, from the radio channels, and every community medicines doctors are, and they have skills to do. हम लोग उसके माध्यम से भी पहुंच सकते हैं हर दिनों तक. How to market it appropriately, हम खुद इसके महत्व को जानेंगे तभी इसका मार्केटिंग अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. जब हम लोग सोचेंगे कि वी आर ओनली द पब्लिक हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट, वी विल टीच इन कॉलेज एंड वी विल डू दैट, नथिंग विल हैपन. हम लोग को मार्केटिंग इसका प्रॉपर करना होगा. हमको अपने जूनियर्स को, अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बताना होगा कि यू कैन डू बेटर देन द मेडिसिन एक्सपर्ट. Then there will be the charm in community medicines. The bench is vacant. If there were the conference of the medicine, there will be full. This is the basic thing, and we have to prove it. For the student score, there is no student, so I will skip it. And conclusion of the slide is that there is limited preference of community medicine as a career choice. Curriculum modification and explanation of the career path after post graduation in community medicine will help to generate interest in the subject. Community medicine is not a non-clinical, rather clinical class, and we have to change our mentality. Our juniors, our seniors, our faculties have to think beyond the park. Thank you.